Woohoo! It's graduation season, and I have another creative gift idea that every graduate will love. With graduations come ceremonies, celebration parties, and gift giving. But before I show you the creative gift idea, let me share with you a few pictures and tips from behind the scenes as we decorated a high school graduation party that was given at the client's home. Have you ever tried to have a party only to find that all the venues in your area were already booked? Not to worry. Here are some ideas for expanding the space in your house. If you have a garage, clear everything out and put it into a temporary storage unit or pod. Open the garage door and add a party tent with the opening facing the garage to extend the size of your garage space. When you set up your table and chairs, now you're essentially using your driveway as part of the party space along with your garage. From this angle, you see how the tent has added on an additional 10 feet of space to the house? Most people use a tent by itself, which often feels cramped and claustrophobic. But by doing it this way, it keeps the space feeling more open. Wow, look how many 8-foot tables we were able to get into this space. Now we have enough room for 36 or up to 48 guests to comfortably sit down for a meal. But that's not all. If you have glass sliding doors that lead to a backyard, you can add another tent for your buffet tables. You can use fabric drapes to hide your garage walls or shimmer panels like these from floor to ceiling. Other decor like this will help disguise your water heater. I can show you a little bit more of the decorations later, but you came here to see a gift idea, right? Let's get to it. So I think you guys will love this because it's so easy to make. I took a slim cardboard box. This one was delivered by Amazon. It was about a size 12 by 16. With one side of the box taped shut and the back of the box left open, I cut a slit near the bottom of the box. I also took the top flap of the box and taped it down on the sides. It'll be a sunshade. I'm using some letter stickers from Dollar Tree for the graduates' initials. I also spray painted most of the box silver, but you could also use silver gift wrapping paper. And if that little logo looks familiar, yeah, I borrowed it from PNC Bank. I hope they won't mind. It's just all in fun. On glossy photo paper, I printed a 12 by 16 poster-sized cartoon image of an ATM machine. Can you see it coming together? Yes, this is her own private ATM machine. Here I'm lining up the slot for the cash to dispense. She's gonna love this. Here's the fun part. Take an old toilet paper insert and tape your dollar bills together using washi tape. This way the money won't tear when it's taken apart. Next, you just roll your dollar bills onto the toilet paper insert and place it inside the back of the box along with your greeting card. The money will dispense from the front slot. And you know what? For this to be even more fun, you should use all $1 bills. especially if the gift is $50 or $100 or more. It'll seem like so much money is coming out of the machine. I wanted to do this for this gift, but I didn't have a chance because it was a holiday weekend and the banks were closed. I even made her a pretend bank card. Just look at that smile. That smile is priceless and says it all. The night after the graduation party, the graduate and her family sent me this video clip. Watch this.
Oh my God! I wish money came out of my bank account like this.
Me too. You and me both. You and me both.
Okay. Oh my goodness!
All the bills.
That's it. That is too cute. Mm-hmm. You gotta put it back. You don't get to use that money. It's a prop.
Put it in your bank account.
Yeah. Let's keep going. Let's put it back.
It's a prop in my room.
And put it back.
So all graduates like to get cash, right? This is a gift from our family that she will always remember, not just for the money, but for the creative way that it was delivered. But what do you think? Would you like to have your own personal ATM machine? Press the thumbs up and leave a comment down below. This would also be fun as a group gift. Then you could really fill that machine with lots of cash. I hope you enjoyed this fun and creative gift idea, along with getting some helpful tips for expanding your party space when entertaining at home. Congratulations to all the 2023 graduates. Hopefully this video will also be useful to you if you are watching this video in the future. Come and see me again next week as I post videos on interior decorating, special events decor, and creative gift ideas. Also, if you have an occasion that you'd like me to come up with a gift idea for, request it in the comments below and I'll start brainstorming. I'm Steph Storm and you'll see me next time. But hey, wait! You don't have to leave my channel yet. You can watch these videos next for even more creative ideas. And don't forget to subscribe.